Hi, I'm Briley with a B. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Chicago. Can I ask, are there any redheads in the audience right now? Cheer. Oh, just you, okay. Yeah, my song, it's about my friend. She's a redhead, and I wrote this for her. So here's my song, Redhead Girl. Dancing with her and singing ice. Feeling lonely, so hot and strong. I wanna go and leave and watch the sun. Green eyes, romantic stare. I know it's nothing, but I still care. Watching turn to glare, and I'm just the other girl with red hair. Look at you, looking at her. Spin her around so much it hurts. Girl accents in the air, and I'm just the other girl with red hair. I leave the room. It's hard to watching her too. Don't want to make a fuss, but I'd rather be the one who's in your arms. Try to stay calm. It's hard to look at you, looking at her. Her around so much it hurts. Girl accents in the air, and I'm just the other girl with red hair. My friends say, are you okay? I say I don't know how I feel this way. Not wrong, but a little bit right. I feel just a little betrayed. Should I be alright? Look at you, looking at her. Her around so much it hurts. Girl accents in the air, and I'm just the other girl. Looking at her, her around so much it hurts. Your accents in the air, and I'm just the other girl. I'm just the other girl that isn't fair. The act is over and the show's all done now. She's just the other girl, and I'm your one. I'm just the other girl not willing to share. Now she's just the other girl.